Today at ELGRA we're putting a side shift together with one of our post drivers, and we'll show you that setup. So what you're seeing now is the boys putting the side shift to the driver, adding lynch pins, as you can see there. What you see the boys doing now is plumbing up the hoses, tractor hoses, coming across to the tractor, hooking up top links. Top link to the tractor and eventually top link to the machine. The boys plumbing up the top link ram from the side shift, getting it ready to connect to the driver, as you see them doing there.